Hi everyone, welcome to the channel Math for me and you. Let's learn maths together. Hello, in this video we are discussing exercise 3.6 question number 1, sub questions 5, 6, 7 and 8. Earlier I have posted video about exercise 3.6 question 1, sub questions 1 to 4. I can give the link in the description box. Let's start. You can see here two equations. We have to convert them to linear equations and solve for x and y. First of all, we could mark these two equations as equation number 1 and equation number 2. We have to convert these equations into linear equations. We know what are linear equations. Ax plus by is equal to C form. This is not linear equation. See, you can see numerator and denominator. We are going to write this equation as in the form ax plus by equals C. For that, we can change the equations, first equation and second equation. How can we change? We split the numerator, that is numerator 7x and minus 2y. So we are going to write into two different fractions. First term 7x. What is the denominator? xy. Okay, we write that. Then you can see minus. Next term is 2y. Same denominator xy. See, we have split it into two terms. Right side is 5. First term common x in the numerator denominator we could cancel. Also second term what is common? Y we could cancel. Then 7 over y minus 2 over x equals 5 we get. We can write the x term first. It is minus 2 over x plus then y term 7 over y is equal to 5. Earlier we have solved this type of questions. If denominator, the variable comes in the denominator, we will take 1 over x, 1 over y with a different variable and then we can solve them. Here we are taking 1 over x as a variable p and 1 over y as another variable q. Let 1 over x equals p and 1 over y equals q. Then the equation changes. How it changes? We can consider this as minus 2 times 1 over x. That means 1 over x is p. So it becomes minus 2p. We can write. So this equation we are going to change minus 2p. Next is 7 times 1 over y we could consider. What is 1 over y? It is q. So what we can write? 7 times q. It is 7q is equal to 5. See, this is of the form ax plus by equals c. Now we can mark this as equation number 3. Equation number 2 also we can change in the same way and then we get a different or second linear equation. How can we do that? Split the terms. First term 8x we write with the denominator xy plus second term 7y with the denominator same xy. So we have splitted the terms and the right side is equal to 15. Numerator and denominator, what common we can delete? X is common in the first term and y is common in the second term. Okay, what left? It is 8 over y plus 7 over x equals 15. But when we write in standard form, we could write first x term, after that y term. So we are going to write that 7 over x plus 8 over y is equal to 15. This is not linear equation. How can we change to linear equation? Yes, we already taken 1 over x as p. So this becomes 7p plus 8q is equal to 15. See, this is of the form ax plus by equals c. Now we can write this as equation number 4. Here we have to solve by using elimination or substitution method. I'm going to use elimination method. I'm going to eliminate p. So I will change both the equations with the same coefficient. That means the first equation I will multiply with the 7. That is the coefficient of p in the second equation. Also the second equation I will multiply with 2. So the first equation I will multiply with the 7 and second equation I will multiply with 2. We can start multiplying. We are going to multiply the first equation with 7. Each term multiply with the 7. What result we get? 7 times minus 2. It is minus 14p. Then 7 times 7q. 49q. equals, we have to multiply 7 with the 5. 7 times 5 is 35. This is entirely a new equation. So we could mark this as equation number 5. And the next equation, throughout, we multiply with what number? Yes, multiply with the 2 because it is the coefficient of p in the first equation. 2 times. Okay, we can multiply. 2 times 7, 14. 14p we get. See, the same coefficient. Then 2 times 8q, it is 16q equals 2 times 15, 30. Now see the equations, both the equations, the coefficient of p is 14. The first equation it is minus 14 and the second equation plus 14. So if we add them, we can cancel or eliminate p. Second equation we can mark it as equation number 6. Now we are going to do equation number 5 plus equation number 6. So we can write equation number 5 just below equation number 6. And now we can do addition. 14p minus 14p, what happens? Yes, cancels. Then 16q plus 49q, it is 65q we get. The right side 30 plus 35 is also 65. 65q equals 65. What is the value of q? 65 over 65. That is equal to 1. So the variable q, we got its value. Now we have to find the value of p. How can we find? We can substitute in any of the equations. Equation 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. It's up to you. I'm going to substitute in equation number 3. So we can write, substitute the value of q in equation number 3. What is q? It is 1. Equation number 3, please have a look on that. It is minus 2p plus 7q. So we write minus 2p plus 7 times, what is q? 1 is equal to 5. 7 times 1 is 7. So we can move that 7 to the right side. Minus 2p equals 5 minus 7. That is how much? It is minus 2. 7 minus 5 is 2 with the big number negative. So it is minus 2. Then p equals minus 2 over minus 2. Minus minus positive and 2 over 2 is 1. So positive 1. We get value of q and p. But actually we have to get the value of x and y. How can we find that? See, what is p? We have taken p as 1 over x. We can give the value 1 over x is equal to p, and now we got p as 1. That means 1 over x equals 1. So 1 also we can write as a fraction with the denominator 1. Now take the reciprocal. X we keep in the numerator side. X over 1, no need to write over 1. The other side also we change numerator denominator, so we get x equals 1. Next we have taken q as 1 over y. 1 over y equals q. What is q? Q is equal to 1. Same way we can write 1 over y equals 1 over 1, and when we take the reciprocal y up, we get y over 1, or y is equal to 1 over 1, that is 1. See, we have got the values of x and y. Now we are going to solve these two equations. 6x plus 3y equals 6xy. 2x plus 4y equals 5xy. Let us mark them as equation number 1 and equation number 2. We need to write it in the form ax plus by equals c. That means on the right side only we need number. We don't need xy. So each term we could divide with xy, so that right side we get xy over xy cancel and we get only the constant. Look at the first term. What is common? X. Okay, cancel. Then we get 6 over y. Plus in the middle, what we can cancel on the second term? Yes, y. Then we get 3 over x is equal to the right side. Xy completely cancel, we get only x. But this is not linear equation. We have to change. First of all, we can write x term in the beginning. 3 over x plus 6 over y is equal to 6. Now we know what to do. We will take 1 over x with a variable and 1 over y as another variable and then solve. Let 1 over x equals any letter we can take, any variable. I am taking p, and 1 over y is equal to q. So the equation changes. How it changes? We can consider 3 times 1 over x. That means 3 times p. So we write 3p plus How can we write the second term? 6q, yes, it is equal to 6. This is of the form ax plus by equals c. So we can mark this as equation number 3. The second equation also we could change in the same way. And what we are going to do first? Yes, we can divide each term with xy to get the right side a constant alone. So we can do that. 2x over xy, it is 2 over y now. And 4x over xy, what we get? 4 over x equals the right side xy completely cancels and we get only 5. Now we can rearrange. Start with x term. 4 over x plus 2 over y is equal to 5. And then we can change 1 over x with the variable p and 1 over with the variable q. So the equation now becomes 4p plus 2q is equal to 5. This is of the form ax plus by equals c. Then we mark this as equation number 4. We are going to eliminate either p or q. What is easier? Here easier to eliminate q because see the second equation, the coefficient is 2. So if we multiply this equation with the 3, we get the coefficient of q as 6. That is the same coefficient as in the equation number 3. So this equation, that is equation number 4, all the terms we are going to multiply with 3. What we get as the result? 3 times 4p, it is 12p plus 3 times 2q, 6q. See both equations now with the same coefficient for q. And the right side is equal to 15. 3 times 5 equals 15. The new equation we could mark as equation number 5. Now we are going to eliminate q. How can we eliminate? Subtract. So you can do equation number 5 minus 3 or equation number 3 minus 5. It's up to you. I'm going to do equation number 5 minus 3. So just write equation 3 below the equation, that is equation number 5. 3p plus 6q equals 6. What are we going to do? We will subtract. That means the terms in equation number 3 we have to change with minus. Minus 3p minus 6q and minus 6. Then find the answer. 12p minus 3p, it is 9p. Q terms cancel. Equals 15 minus 6, it is 9. 9p equals 9. So what is p? 9 over 9 equals 1. Using the value of p, we can find what is q. Substitute in any of the equations. Equation number 3, 4 or 5. I'm going to substitute in equation number 3. Substitute the value of p in equation number 3. Equation 3, please have a look. It is 3p plus 6q equals 6. So we are going to write 3 times 1 plus 6q is equal to 6. 3 we can move to the right side. It becomes minus 3. 6q equals 6 minus 3. That is 3. What is the value of q? Q equals 3 divided by 6. We can cancel 3 from numerator and denominator. Then we get 1 over 2. Q equals 1 over 2. But we need the value of x and y. We have taken 1 over x as p and 1 over y as q. So write that 1 over x equals p. What is p? P is equal to 1. 1 we can write with the denominator 1 and then take the reciprocal. The left side is x numerator and 1 denominator. 1 no need to write as denominator. The right side is equal to 1. X equals 1. Okay, what about y? 1 over y we have taken as q. And what is 1 over y? It is 1 over 2. Now both fractions we can take the reciprocal. Y over 1, that is y, is equal to 2 over 1, that is 2. So we get the value of x is equal to 1 and y equals 2. Look at question number 7. 10 over x plus y plus 2 over x minus y equals 4 and 15 over x plus y minus 5 over x minus y equals minus 2. The first equation we could mark as equation number 1 and second one as equation number 2. See the denominators, they are x plus y and x minus y in both the equations. So we can take x plus y and change with a variable. Also x minus y we can take and write with another variable. 1 over x plus y we have taken. and let it be equal to p, and 1 over x minus y we could take as the variable q. Now both the equations we can change. The first equation becomes 10 times p plus 2 times q. 10p plus 2q equals 4. See, this is of the form ax plus by equals c. This equation we could mark as equation number 3. Second equation we can write 15p minus 5q is equal to minus 2. Now, using elimination or substitution, you can find the values of p and q. But I am going to use, as usual, elimination method. We have to get the same coefficient for either p or q. See the equation number 1, it is 10p plus 2q equals 4. If this equation we multiply with 5, that because q, the coefficient is 5 in the second equation, and the second equation throughout we multiply with what number? With 2, because that is the coefficient of q in the first equation. Then we get same coefficient for q and we can eliminate q. If you want, you can eliminate p, it's up to you. I'm going to eliminate q. So the first equation becomes 50p plus 10q equals 20 when we multiply with the 5. Let be equation number 5, and the next equation multiply with the 2. So we get 30p minus 10q is equal to 2 times minus 2 is minus 4, and this is equation number 6. Now both equations, the coefficient of q is same, 10. But one is positive 10, the other one is negative 10. To eliminate q, we can add these two equations. That is equation number 5 plus 6. So what we get? Equation number 5 is 50p plus 10q is equal to 20, and equation 6 is 30p minus 10q equals minus 4. When we do addition, 50 plus 30 is 80. 80p and q terms we could cancel is equal to 20 minus 4. It is 16. What is p? 16 over 80. We can cancel numerator and denominator with the 16. What we get? We get 1 over 5. If this is difficult, first you can cancel with the 2 or cancel with 8. It's up to you. I'm cancelling directly with the 16. So we get p equals 1 over 5. And using the value of p, we can find what is q. Substitute this value in any of the equations, equation number 3 or 4 or 5. I'm going to substitute in equation number 3. What is equation number 3? 10p plus 2q equals 4. So we substitute p equals 1 over 5 in equation number 3. 10p becomes 10 times 1 over 5. See, this is a fraction, that's why I'm using a bracket. Plus 2q, write as it is, equals 4, that also we write same. 10 and 5 we could cancel. So we get in the numerator side 2. Then 2, the number we can move to the right side. So we get 2q equals 4 minus 2. What is that? It is 2. 2q equals 2. And what about q? Q equals 2 over 2. That is 1. We know what to do next. We have to find the value of x and y. What is p? We have taken 1 over x plus y as p and 1 over x minus y as q. So resubstitute this. We have taken 1 over x plus y as p, and now we got the value of p as 1 over 5. Take the reciprocal. X plus y will be the numerator. So x plus y over 1, no need to write. The right side, it is 5 over 1, that is 5. X plus y equals 5. Directly we cannot find the value of x and y. So we write the other variable. 1 over x minus y we have taken as q. That is 1 over x minus y is 1 over 1. So what is x minus y? It is 1. Now together we can do elimination or substitution. I am going to write together because see the coefficient of y 1 and minus 1. So these two equations, that is equation number 7 and 8. if we can eliminate y. Just add these two equations. You get 2x equals 6. What about x? X equals 6 over 2, that is 3. So we have to use these two equations together to get the value of x and y. One variable is ready. How to get the other variable? Substitute in any of the equation number 7 or 8. Now I am substituting in equation number 7. Then x plus y equals 5 becomes, x is 3. 3 plus y equals 5. What about y? Y is equal to 5 minus 3, that is 2. See, we got x and y. Okay, let's look the next one. Question number 8. 1 over 3x plus y plus 1 over 3x minus y equals 3 over 4. We have marked it as equation number 1, and the second equation we have taken as equation number 2. Look at the denominators. Both the equations with the denominator 3x plus y and 3x minus y. So what we will do? Yes, we will take 1 over 3x plus y as variable p and 1 over 3x minus y as q. Let 1 over 3x plus y equals p and 1 over 3x minus y equals q, and change the equation. Now the equation becomes this completely. This is p, so it is p plus what next? Q equals 3 over 4. The right side is a fraction. If we multiply with the denominator on the right side is 4. If we multiply each term by 4, we can cancel the denominator. So we are going to multiply with the 4. Hope you understand why we are multiplying. If we multiply with the 4, we can cancel the denominator. So we multiply this. 4 times p. What is that? It is 4p. Plus 4 times q. 4q. Equals 4 times 3 over 4. 4 and 4 cancel. We get only 3. See the equation now of the form ax plus by equals c. Now the second equation. First we will replace 1 over 3x plus y and 1 over 3x minus y with p and q. What we get? It is p over 2, p by 2, because 2 denominator we didn't do any change, minus q by 2, q over 2 is equal to minus 1 over 8. In this equation also we can see a denominator on the right side. What we will multiply throughout? Yes, with 8. Then we get on the right side 8 with 8 cancel and only minus 1. So first term when we multiply with 8, 8p over 2. 8 and 2 we can cancel, so we get 4 over there. 4 times p, it is 4p, minus same cancellation, 8q over 2 is 4q, equals 8 and 8 cancel, only minus 1 there. Now we get new equation. Let it be equation number 4. Look at the coefficients. Coefficient of q, we can see it is minus 4q and plus 4q. So if you just add these two equations, we can eliminate q. Equation number 3 plus equation number 4. Write equation number 4 below the equation. What is that? Equation number 3. 4p minus 4q equals minus 1. What we do here? Addition. 4p plus 4p, 8p. 4q minus 4q cancels. And 3 minus 1, it is 2. 8p equals 2. What is p? P equals 2 over 8. And 2 and 8 cancel. We get 1 over 4. What next? Yes, we will use this value to get the value of q. Any of the equation you can select. Equation number 3 or 4. I am substituting in equation number 3. And this equation is 4p plus 4q equals 3. So we are going to substitute for p, that is 1 over 4. 4 times 1 over 4 plus 4q equals 3. 4 and 4 we could cancel. So we get there 1. 1 plus 4q. Then what is 4q? 4q equals 3 minus 1. That is equal to 2. 4q equals 2. What about q? Q equals 2 by 4. cancel 2 from numerator and denominator. We get 1 over 2. Q equals 1 over 2. But we need what is x and what is y. How can we do that? First, we have taken 1 over 3x plus y as p. So we can write that 1 over 3x plus y is equal to 1 over 4 because p is 1 over 4. Now both sides take the reciprocal. 3x plus y is equal to over 1, no need to write. The right side 4 over 1, that means 4. 3x plus y equals 4. Can we find x and y? No, directly not possible. So we can mark this as equation number 5. Now we will look what is q. We have taken 1 over 3x minus y as q. And here we got the value of q as 1 over 2. 1 over 3x minus y equals 1 over 2. Take the reciprocal. 3x minus y over 1, no need to write, just write 3x minus y is equal to, right side is 2 over 1, so write 2 only. Then we mark this as equation number 6. We can eliminate x or y. Here easy y, because see the coefficient y, positive 1 in the first equation and minus 1 in the second equation. So add these two equations, we can eliminate y. 3x plus y equals 4, that is equation number 5, plus 6. What is 6? 3x minus y is equal to 2. We are doing equation number 5 plus 6. 3x plus 3x, that is 6x. Plus y minus y cancels. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6x equals 6. What about x? X equals 6 by 6. 6 upon 6 equals 1. Using this value, we can find what is y. Substitute in equation number 5 or 6. It's up to you. I am taking equation number 5. That means substitute in equation number 5. What is equation number 5? 3x, that means 3 times 1, plus y is equal to 4. 3 times 1 is 3. We can move that 3 to the right side. Y equals 4 plus 3 going to the other side as minus 3. For minus 3 is 1. See what is x? X equals 1. And what is y? Y equals 1. We get the value of x and y. Hope you understand what we have practiced over here. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to my channel. See you with more useful videos. Thank you.